Well guys, we made it back to the convention center where the hub of Porsche Palooza 2025 is taking place. We've got our front row seat for the upcoming parade. We're gonna watch all these cars come out. It's gonna be close to 200 cars, so should be pretty awesome. Well guys, they are lining up for the Porsche parade. It's gonna be pretty awesome. Over 100 cars lining up for this. We'll take a left and we'll go past GT4 RS, guys. Looking good. There's
but
mine.
no, he pulled somebody over up onto one of those private driveways off the road. Okay.
981 GT4, guys. Looking good. A little Taycan action as well. Oh, they said I'm not going on the parade. Ooh, I like this white on white Boxster, guys, for the win. I am a big fan of white on white. Very nice. Walk down here and see all these 911s and Boxsters and Caymans. If you guys are a Porsche fan, you definitely need to put this on your list to check out Porsche Palooza in Eureka Springs, Arkansas, guys. That GT3, nice shock. Yes. Look at that. An RW. Oh my lord. We're gonna have to get some video all around of this thing. We gotta check out this RS quick. Yeah, buddy. I don't know which way to look, guys. They're everywhere. Everywhere. Getting lined up. I think that Tesla's trying to leave. It's the wrong time to be leaving.
What's up, dude?
Look at the line, guys. Look at all this stuff. I'm in like heaven, guys. Porsche heaven. Slant nose hooking it up. That freaking Carrera.
These guys, if the guy in the blue will pull up, I'll get out of the way. If the guy in the blue will pull up, I'll get out of the way.
Porsche insanity, guys.
Yeah, come on back, you're clear.
Here we go, guys. The parade has started. There's the lead car, the Boxster.
We got the best seat in the house right here.
Heck yeah, we do. Ready?
Yeah, they probably fell asleep Decided to go get something to eat.
Oh, you can butt in, guy. You're not a Porsche.
Mercedes. Let's see, she's telling him to hold on.
Yeah, you got a ways. You missed out, buddy.
Yeah, she's telling him to hold on. Oh, look at old 356.
I saw that come in. It's awesome.
Yeah, 67-year-old car.
That's on my bucket list right
Here
there.
are all the GT that are scraping. Is yours?
It did bad today. Coming in hot.
Yeah, there's that road that's going like that hurts every time. I've driven that yellow one.
Have you?
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Fast. He's had that now for a year. He's had that like 10 years. GT3.
Chalk gray GT3. Woo!
Yeah.
Love it.
Oh,
That-
see, there's a dip right there.
Yeah, that's on my bucket list too.
That's what's going on.
New GTS. That's a hybrid. Ooh, nice turbo.
Oh, look at that. That's almost that olive color.
It is like a greenish gray.
Yeah. Rubber green stickers
That,
in the window.
that color's pretty wild too.
That is crazy, yeah.
How'd you get in the mix, Mr. Tesla?
Uh-oh.
Cheater!
I would be so damn embarrassed and I would pull off the side street if I was in the crowd.
Ooh, I like this one.
Yeah, that's Leonard.
That's cool.
Yay, Leonard! If you can't find a Porsche you like, then you don't need to be up here.
Yeah.
There's something
They got-
for everyone.
They got everyone here,
Yeah.
every flavor.
There's a Cayenne. That's a Cayenne GTS?
I know, it was pulling a trailer.
Oh, God, man. I mean, that's a $200,000 car. This might be the biggest parade they've ever had.
The weather's right.
Look at that.
That's like a silver. That's not quite chalk. That
Yeah.
was a silver.
And then the dealers mark them up.
Oh, there's my chalk.
Oh, heck yeah. Oh, that's kicking.
That's what mine looks like, but it's convertible.
Yeah.
I got a chalk GTS convertible.
I love that car.
That's the guy that was the lead of my group at GTS. He made it back.
Oh, and that's going to be an easy color to maintain.
Yeah,
Rinsed, keep it rinsed.
it's pretty good. White and gray,
Oh yeah.
the lighter grays.
There's an early 911.
The GTS, so I gotta go slow when I come out, or I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, don't
GTS. I think that's carmine red.
Yeah, I like that. I like they mix a little brown with the red, you know. He's running quad tips. Some of these exhaust systems sound good.
Ooh, a touring.
Sure is.
There's a big dollar turbo.
Lord, y'all, look at her.
Turbo S.
9.4. know, Eureka Springs got about 2,000 people, and we got about 1,000 people up here. The city just increased by 50%.
It did. That's a bright blue.
Yeah. That's a 4-liter. Half of America is represented in 24 states. 24 states out of
That's a good chunk.
450 Porsches. That's just pre-registered.
Yeah, you know there's others.
Oh yeah. I mean, if you were just live nearby, you'd want to come up and see what was going on, you know?
I was gonna say that's one of the least favorite colors, that brown one back there.
Yeah, it's got to
Like-
be right. I mean, brown's a weird color. I had that one brown car, had an Alfa Romeo. It was pure chocolate, no metallic, had a khaki top and tan leather, and it was okay. But brown can be weird.
This guy was in my group today, that GT3.
Okay, that GT3. We'll listen to that PDK shit.
Another one.
GT3. Jake Jacobs, he's in our group. Target. He's like an 80-something-year-old Marine Corps veteran.
Really?
Almost 90. He keeps fucking everybody. Is it Christmas yet? Come some more.
Some people they got left behind. They don't know which way to go.
Oh, check the 356. Woo! Wow, man, he's perfect too. 7-year-old car. Go right.
Oh no! Oh no! They're all getting off track. Shoot! That
This is Eddie Thompson, man.
RS.
4-liter
Man.
RS.
Well, there's a 981 Spider. I don't like it. Ooh, that sounded good.
That one's set up a little different. Whenever I get my next one, I'm going to make sure the exhaust is exactly like I want it. He's in our group too. That's John.
Well, guys, that was the Porsche parade.
I would
Pretty
say
epic.
so.